Hello guys, this is Oais from DICC, the Institute of Computer Courses, and today I am going to tell you about digital marketing. So first of all, like digital marketing, online marketing, web marketing, internet marketing. So these are the terms which are closely related to each other. Now what does it refers to? Digital marketing is actually refers to the advertisement of different products and services to different channels, digital channels. What are those channels? Such as of Google, different websites we do have, universal apps we do have, social media channels we do have such as Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn is there. So using these mediums we can advertise our product or services in order to generate leads and conversions. Now, for whom it is meant for? Digital marketing actually mean for all those audiences who would like to grow their businesses, for entrepreneurs, for bloggers, for job seekers or students who would like to make career in digital marketing. And it's like, it has different benefits also. Why one should go for digital marketing? It's actually quite better than the traditional form of marketing itself, as it provides you potential customers, the targeted customers, such as if a customer is interested in buying a mobile phone, then he will search over Google with buy mobile phone. Why did he search over Google? Because actually he is interested in it. So in this manner, the search engine actually provides us the potential customer, the targeted customer.